दीपांकर जी, गुड इवनिंग। और आज आपको ये जो हमारा ट्रेनिंग सेशन था, ये कैसा लगा? ये कितना बढ़िया लगा, क्या इफेक्टिव है? बिकॉज यू आर ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड विद ट्रेन, so you know that very much, so many things. So just tell me that few words. How you feel that about this training?
Sir, myself worked in same Bhattacharya plant and for crane maintenance. After that, I joined in Braithwaite for crane project. So both of crane maintenance and projects, both are separate things, but both are in cranes related. And today I visited this program, and I saw that how to project deal, because the clients and the contractor, there should be some relation. There should be some relation. Without that cordial relation, no project will be success. This main thing I come to know from this your session. But there are so many interaction I will try to with you, so that because crane is a fast thing and there is a new change of sea change in the crane history. So we will try to connect with you. And
Surely, we'll wait for you.
yes, sir.
Say, can you tell something about that Reva? How much you know that Reva?
No, before that I don't have any knowledge about Reba, but today
You might have seen Reva crane in sale.
no, in Bucharest plant there is no.
Is there?
No.
3, 4, 5, 6 cranes.
6 cranes out of 400.
Yeah,
6 is
of
very
course,
good. Out of 600, 400 cranes, 6 is very good. I think these cranes come into effect after 2000.
Yeah.
So very fantastic experience.
Thank you, Dipankar sir. Thank you. Please enjoy. Thank you.